together. Put our hands together. We are one. Can't divide us.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. We are here. I have my mask, don't worry. I have my mask, it's here.
Where do you get the black mask?
I bought it for Thursday.
You bought it? Why?
From some guy.
Oh.
The hustler, you know.
For how much?
$100, 350. This weekend we decided that it's time for us to remember that we are young people. Well, young people. So we're at KFC because my niece wanted to buy something. She said she was hungry, so we decided, and she didn't want to come with us, which is fine. So she didn't want to come with us. So we're getting her meal, and then we're gonna go. But these people are taking forever. How long? I think it's been an hour since I placed the order for pickup.
Probably 1 hour, 13 minutes.
Yeah, and it's not even a big order. It's just one order. So I'm quite annoyed. But anyway, it's fine. Remember the way we're going.
We're moving around town.
Initially, we wanted to go to 267. We're not sure if we will end up there. We haven't really decided yet. We had decided.
Why did you messed up the plan?
How did I mess it up?
Kind of the plan was to go there. Then you said, hey,
Yeah, can I woke up? Yeah, can I woke up? My leg was painful. Huh? What? Yes, I am. I feel like you have space to go like this. Yeah. Can I wear a pick a ATM when you have it? Say hi to the vlog. Okay, so now we're taking her home, and then we will decide where we're going. All we know is that we need a break from our household.
Oh,
yes. No. If.
Oh.
Yeah, go please. I hate. Stress. That's my sorry guys. There are so many distractions. Anyway, so now we're taking her home, and then we'll figure out okay guys, so we found ourselves in Tlokeng by mistake. We just decided that, you know what, let us drive. We were like, okay, Nora, Blue Tree, sharp. Nag, I don't know where Blue Tree is. Baby girl over here, she says she knows where Blue Tree is. So now I'm like, alright, cool. Let's go to Blue Tree, honey bear. No, next thing we find ourselves where? In Tlokeng. Where in Tlokeng we still don't even know. How are we getting back? We don't know. Why? Because we don't know where in Tlokeng we are. So so I just said petrol. Okay, as long as we're still good with. But one thing I love about this car is that when it comes to petrol, I know sharp. We're good. So all we know, we are still in the country, we hope. Because what
all
if
we want is blue tree.
Okay.
No, I know.
Forget the blue car. I'm trying to see the landmarks. Okay, I see Jamali River crossing. That's where we are driving now. Lulapa Gardens. Okay. Alright, cool. Hey! Royal area. Okay, it's that side. Okay, so we still
Royal area again.
I think it's a hotel or lodge or something like that. I think.
Next time around Royal area.
I don't want that.
Yeah, no, I'm not going there. Until I was tempted for 10. I'm not going there.
Okay, so we're back at Sekitimile Hospital.
Go.
The problem is I can't even help you because I don't even know. Okay, can you get a 10 in a world of golf? Is that where?
Yeah.
I saw that sign,
Yeah.
but I wasn't sure whether is it. There was something. There was a turn on this side.
Yeah, it's
Well,
supposed to be.
yes, that's what I saw, but I wasn't sure like because we were in a world of golf, something. Like it was just before. So I mean, I guess I don't know, somewhere there. Can I need to say you never know, but I don't think it is.
There's no way. We're not giving up on 3 trees.
No, that's Germany. Okay, so I couldn't finish the burger. That's what I've left. Namito managed to finish her meal. Good vibes. We're happy.
Too much.
Can you guys all just comment down below and let her know how pretty she looks? Just let her know, please, just how pretty she looks. Because I can't get over it. Like, she's so cute. Look at her, she's so cute.
I look like a baby.
I'm looking for a rich husband for her.
No.
I think it's around 5:30. I hope you guys can hear me. And we are just finishing up our drinks.
We had a good day.
We did. It was a good day. I'm trying not to show that the Baba handy bag. Thank God for my bag.
The lighting is so good.
It's so good. So good. She's having a Sprite, and I'm supposed to be having a Malawian shandy, but they didn't have.
Is it nice?
Bitters. It's just ginger ale and lemonade because we was some other things. But it's nice. It's refreshing. Mara.
Okay.
So yeah, we're gonna just. Okay, I can't cover the mic. So we're gonna finish up here, and then we're gonna go home. And well,
I'm about to cry out in my phone.
like I've been there. But yeah, I have to prepare for church tomorrow. I'll be serving tomorrow, so I have to prepare, rehearse a little bit, nurse my voice, do all the things that must be done. I don't know if I'm going to steam tonight. If you like that, I should steam. Can I steam it tomorrow? No, let me steam tomorrow. No, let me steam tomorrow after I get again. Yeah, and then
We're going to work tomorrow.
on Monday,
right?
we have a meeting. I guess, but I'm just going for the meeting.
Oh, that's even better.
So anyway, before I can say the pivot, I'm happy. I'm always happy when I'm with this song.
Always make your day.
Clap and tell her she looks pretty.
My forehead.
Anybody who says anything nasty, I'm gonna come for you and I'm gonna block you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay.
You did have a good day.
It was. Oh, in case you guys don't know, we're at Blue Tree cafe, golf, whatever. There's like a golf course here and yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, the reason why this angle is at this angle is because I don't want to show other people and expose them and stuff. Oh, I did my makeup and stuff. I put like eyeshadow on.
The eyeshadow.
It wasn't the plan, but somebody had said that she wanted to do her eyebrows. Next thing, baby girl is like. So I was like, I don't want to look crusty alone.
Annoyed
But then
something.
she decided to make herself angry. She decided to be angry with herself. I kept talking. I kept talking to this girl.
I was
she was
annoyed
not-
by something, but I'll tell you later.
And she was not responding to me. And at some point,
I was annoyed by
even
something.
like,
I'll tell you later.
okay. And I was like, oh, so you're not talking to me? Oh, that makes me sad. Then I played my music like super loud because that's
Okay,
why.
let me be nice. Okay, let me be nice. Then I remember, but I have to be nice to you.
Next
Then
thing,
I came back.
Next thing, she decides to go and sit in the car. I took my time deliberately because she was sitting in the car.
Because I was so annoyed. Okay, well, it's a full plus 9 music. That was my plan.
I was like, oh, so that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna take my sweet time. Because I was waiting for
I was cleaning the house and I made
brows.
lunch. Then I cleaned the car. But no, you're still waiting.
So that I can do your brows. Next thing, baby girl changes on me, and I'm like, I didn't even want to do my makeup, but I'm glad I did because I look hella cute.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full. I need to go home. I can't even finish this. Anyway, guys, let me go. Women's Day, International Women's Day is on the 8th of March. What advice can you give women out there, whether it's young women, anybody, any woman, girl out there?
First, be independent. Do your thing. Be yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Do you. Do what makes you happy. But the best thing is like hustle to make money.
Yeah,
You can't go wrong without money. Like money.
Be independent, because a lot of the which is something that we see a lot of nowadays. Women are starting to, you see a lot of women entrepreneurs who are doing big things, you know, that into farming, you know, something that is like, oh, it's just for men. You see so many women doing the things that are not, you wouldn't find conventional for women. Women are more independent now and stuff and all that. But also, one thing that I also want to say is that as women, even though we are empowered, we shouldn't be in a position where, okay, some people might not agree with me, but really independent and we want to be empowered. Let's remember, we want gender equality. Let's fight for exactly that. Gender equality means exactly that, equality. Let's not put men down as well. I know many people won't agree with me, but let's not put men down. Just because I'm making more than my boyfriend or my husband or whatever, it doesn't mean that I should put him down.
Respect is very important.
Exactly. We should respect, and it shouldn't be respect or because just everybody respect each other in a relationship. Respect
Let's
one
not
another.
see the downfall.
Exactly. Let's
Working
fight
together, loving each other.
Let's fight. Let's work together. Everybody works for their money. I wake up in the morning, go to work to make my money. He wakes up in the morning, goes to work, makes his money. What happens? We bring that money together to do what? To build our home. Whether I'm making 10,000 and he's making 1,000, or he's making 50,000 and I'm making 5,000, it doesn't matter. It's still
effort.
Yes, we're all contributing something. And it's just because so and so is making more means he has to do more. It kind of makes sense, but if money shouldn't be a thing, and it shouldn't be that thing that is like, oh, you need to respect me because I bring in more money. That's not part of gender equality. But anyway, Like she said, love yourself, make your own money.
Money.
Be independent. Let's think money. Let's think money. And yeah.
If the world crashes about to hey, I'm settled, I have my own money, I can do my own thing. You'll never know.
True.
Be safe. On a safe side, make your own money.
Yes. Okay, I'm not going to vlog anymore today. So this is us saying